We are going to see today the installation of rational performance tester. So I'm opening the installation manager. So you have the different options that needs to be selected. So we have already installed the rational test workbench. So now we are installing the rational performance tester. Click next. So I'm accepting the terms and conditions. Again, here you have the two different the starter editions and also the full license edition. So to know more about the starter edition, you can see the developer works. So here we can select the package that it needs to install together. So I'm selecting the RTW, which is the RTW Web UI component installation. So at present, I don't have the license server installed, so I can move ahead. So I need to give the Disco one. So you can see the rational performance test is installed successfully.